Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the formulation and evaluation of ondansetron loaded oral thin film. So aim of the present study was to formulate and characterize oral thin film loaded with the ondansetron, which is a potent antiemetic drug. These formulations are very useful for children as it readily dissolves in the buccal cavity and thereby releasing the drug. How it was prepared? So we have heated the water at 80 degrees Celsius, then the polymer PVA was added with the continuous stirring. In a separate container, API was dissolved in the ethanol, then both the solutions were mixed together and poured into the Petri dish. Then it was evaporated, it was dried for around 24 hours in a oven. Then we have recovered this oral thin film. So we got a very clear and transparent oral thin film, and we have evaluated for its various properties such as film thickness, which was found in this 0.03 to 0.05 millimeter, and then folding endurance 350 folds, very good flexibility, and the weight variation was also in a good range. pH was also evaluated. The drug content uniformity was observed in the range of 96 to 98%. No crystallization was observed. It was found to be stable in a ambient condition. FTIR also confirmed the integrity of the functional group. In conclusion, we have prepared the oral thin film showing uniform drug distribution, appropriate mechanical properties, satisfactory surface, pH, holding endurance. The dissolution was also performed, and these findings underscore the promising role of ondansetron loaded OTF as a convenient and effective dosage form for antiemetic therapy.